Good morning class 7. So today we will start this video with our question number 8 of exercise 6b. Okay, question number 8 is, in the adjoining figure there is a figure given to us. LP is equals to MQ. LP is equals to MQ. Here singles in the dash is made, that means these two sides are equal to each other. Sometimes it is not mentioned in the question that LP is equals to LQ like that in written form, but when the dash is same kind of dash is made for both the sides, that means they are equal to each other. And OL is equals to OM. This is also given in the question, and then two dashes are made, that means the two sides are equal to each other. And this PLO is perpendicular, this PL is perpendicular to OL and QM is perpendicular to OM. That means this L is of 90 degree, angle L is of 90 degree, and angle M is also of 90 degree. Now, what we have to prove? We have to prove that OP is equals to OQ. OP is equals to OQ. Okay. So by anyhow, if we prove that these two triangles are congruent to each other, then by corresponding parts and corresponding sides, we can prove that these two sides are also equal to each other because they are corresponding to each other. So first of all, what we will do? We will take triangle OPL and triangle OQL. Okay, we will take these two triangles, and in these two triangles we will check that any three sides or any three angles or any two angles on one side like that is equal to each other or not. So here one side is equals to another side, one angle is equals to another angle, and one side is equal to another side. Okay, so by S side angle side criteria, these two angles will be congruent to each other. So first of all, let's take the two triangles. In triangle OPL and triangle OQM. Okay, in these two triangles, what is given in the question? It is given LP is equals to MQ. LP, you can also write it as PL. LP is equals to MQ. Because these two sides are equal, so by this side or by this side it will always of, if it is of 5 cm, then it will always of 5 cm. And what else is given? That angle PLO, angle PLO is equal to angle QMO, and that is equals to 90 degree. Okay, here you can mention it is given in the question. And what else? That side it is OL is equals to OM. So OL is equals to OM. That is also given in the question. That the two sides are equal to each other. So by side angle side, between two sides, one corresponding angle is equal to the another corresponding angle. So these two triangles will be congruent to each other. So you will write by side angle side condition, triangle OPL is congruent to triangle OQM. Okay, and when the two triangles are congruent to each other, so their corresponding parts and corresponding sides will also be congruent to each other, will also be equal to each other. So that means OP is equals to OQ. So here we will write that OP and OQ are corresponding sides. Therefore, OP is equals to OQ. Okay, we know that in the two congruent triangles, corresponding parts, corresponding sides, corresponding angles are equal to each other. अगर दो triangles congruent हैं तो उनके corresponding जो भी sides angles होंगे वो equal होंगे. Corresponding मतलब उनके respect में, जैसे P का corresponding क्या है? Q है. L का corresponding M है. O तो O पे lie ही कर रहा है. ठीक है? तो अगर हम इस triangle को ऐसे इस तरह से rotate करके इसके ऊपर superimpose करते figures. So here some figures are given to us and we have to evaluate. Means we have to find out the value of x and y. So question number 9, first part is A, B, this is 17 centimeter. Okay, so like this it is given in the question. What we have to do, we have to find out the value of x and y. But here how we can find out the value of x and y? If by somehow we can prove that these two triangles are congruent to each other, then their corresponding sides and corresponding parts will be equal to each other, and then we can find out the value of x and y. So here what we will do, we will firstly prove that these two triangles, triangle OAB and triangle OCD, is congruent to each other. What is given in the question here? It is not written, it is not mentioned in the written form, but it is represented that this angle, this is made single time, so that means this angle is equals to this angle, angle A is equals to angle C. This side OA is equals to angle side OC, and these two angles are equal to each other by vertically opposite angle. So that means these two triangles are congruent to each other. Okay. And once when the two triangles are congruent to each other, then that means their corresponding parts and sides are also equal. So that means 2y plus 7 will be equal to 19 centimeter. From there we will find the value of y, and 3x plus 2 is equal to 17 centimeter. So from there we will find out the value of x. Okay. So first of all, let's prove that triangle AOB is congruent to triangle COD. Okay. So in triangle OAB and triangle OCD, in these two triangles, angle BAO is equal to angle DCO. First thing, next AO या OA is equals to OC. Next, angle AOB is equals to angle AOB is equals to angle COD. Okay, and all these things are given in the question. It is given, and we can just make some commas like this because all these things are given in the question only. Okay, so by angle, side, angle. This side is between these two angles. ये दोनों angles के बीच में ये side आ रहा है ना, तो इसीलिए angle, side, angle criteria लगेगा. ठीक है? So here we will write by angle, side, angle condition. By this condition, these two triangles are congruent to each other. Triangle OAB is congruent to triangle OCD. These two triangles are congruent to each other. So once when any two triangles are congruent to each other, so the corresponding parts, corresponding sides are also equal to each other, right? So we will write since AB and DC या CD are corresponding sides. Therefore, 3x plus 2 is equal to how much? That is 17 centimeters. So this implies what here this 2 is added with 3x, so we can just transfer it to the right hand side. It will become there will come subtraction sign. So this is 15/3. I have put up the above parts. Just write down your copy. So the value of 3x is equals to 15. So what will be the value of x? X will be equal to 15 upon 3. Or this implies x is equals to 5 centimeter. We got the value of x as 5 centimeter. Okay. Now what we have to find out? We have to find out the value of y. So here centimeter is already outside of the bracket, so you can either skip that centimeter also. So next is we have to find out the value of y. How we can find out the value of y? For the value of y here, OB and OD are corresponding side. ये जो OB है, ये OB और ये OD ये एक दूसरे के corresponding है ना? क्यों corresponding है? ये इसके corresponding है तो ये इसके corresponding हो जाएगा. So here we will write since OB and congruent है ना, तो इसलिए corresponding हो जाएगी. तो वो दोनों sides equal हो जाएंगे. OB and OD are corresponding sides. Therefore, और y is equals to, we will transfer it in the denominator, so 12 upon 2 or this is 6. So we got the value of y as 6. Okay, x was 5 centimeter and y is 6 centimeter. Now next question, we have to again evaluate the value of x and y in the next question also. Question number 9, second part. Whichever question I am giving, if I am not doing any question, that means the question is your homework. Okay, you will do that by your own in your rough copy. That is for your practice. These two sides are equal to each other. A, B, C. D and E. This angle is equal to this angle. It is given like this, so that means these two angles are equal. 18 centimeter, 7y plus 4 centimeter, 5x minus 6 centimeter, and 19 centimeter. So this is given in the question. This angle is equal to this angle. This is also given in the question. So now what we have to do, we have to find out the value of x and y. For that, first of all, we need to prove that this triangle is congruent to this triangle. If somehow we prove that these two triangles are congruent to each other, then their corresponding parts and sides will be equal to each other. Okay, and if we prove that this triangle is congruent to this, then this BD will be equal to EC. ये जो BD है वो आपका EC के इक्वल हो जाएगा, means 18 centimeter will be equal to 7y plus 4 and this 5x minus 6 will be equal to 19 centimeter. Okay, so first of all we will take triangle ABC and triangle ACE. Okay, in these two triangles, here in this question it is given that this angle BAC minus 6 will be equal to 19 centimeter. Okay, so we will transfer this 6 to the right hand side. This is minus, then it will go to the right hand side, it will become plus. So this implies 5x is equals to 19 plus 6. 19 plus 6 is equals to 25. So 5x is equals to 25. This 5 will go in the denominator of 25. So this implies x is equals to 25 upon 5 or x is equals to 5. We got the value of x. Now we have to find out the value of y. Here this BD is corresponding to EC. जो BD है वो EC के equal होगा क्योंकि corresponding sides and corresponding parts. So 7y plus 4 will be equals to 18 centimeter. For solving it, I have to rub the blackboard. So just write till here in your fair copy. So here write since BD and CE are corresponding sides, therefore plus 4 is equal to 18 centimeter. Okay, this 4 will go to the right hand side. This is plus, when it will go to the right hand side, it will become minus. 7y is equals to 18 minus 4. 18 minus 4 is equals to 14. So this implies 7y is equals to 14 or y is equals to 14 upon 7. 14 upon 7 is equals to 2. So we got the value of y as 2 centimeter. Okay, x was 5 and y is 2. So there is one more question and it is similar to these questions. Okay, first of all you have to prove that given triangles as congruent and then you can find out the value of x and y. So that is your homework. From next time we will start our new chapter whose name is perimeter and area. I hope you have learned about perimeter and area in your previous classes also, that perimeter is the sum of length of the boundary, right? So we will learn about that in our next video. Okay, so thank you class.